What's the meaning of cherubic? Cherubic. Cherubic.
Cherubic. Cherubic. The word cherubic describes someone or something that is innocent, pure, and angelic. It is often used to describe a child's innocent or angelic face or appearance. The term comes from the word cherub, which is a type of angel depicted as a chubby, winged child in art. When one is described as cherubic, they often possess an air of innocence, beauty, or goodness that makes them seem like a divine being. It is a term that connotes a sense of purity and beauty, associated with the divine or heavenly realm.